Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Dizul Hafiz and my matrix number is BB24110376, and today I would like to present about providing information about local attraction at the front desk and it is importance in the hospitality industry. Okay, the front desk is the first point of contact for hotel guests. Guests often approach the front desk to ask about place to visit, activities to do, and attraction near the hotel. Therefore, the front desk staff play an important role in helping guests have a pleasant and memorable stay. Okay, firstly, providing information about local attraction help guests plan their stay more effectively, and many guests may only stay for a short period, so they would need the recommendation on the best place to visit. Okay, so the front desk staff can suggest the popular attractions such as beaches, shopping areas, cultural sites, and local food, based on the guest interest and the time available. Okay, and then secondly, good attraction information improve guest satisfaction, which is the front desk staff provide a very clear details such as location, operating hour, entrance fee, and the transportation option. Guests will feel more confident and well taken care of. This show professionalism and creates a positive impression of the hotel. And then the next thing, front desk also can act as a ambassador of the destination. By sharing the information about the local culture, tradition, and the event, guests gain a deeper understanding of the place they are visiting. And then the recommending local market, cultural performance, and the traditional restaurant also helping to support the local community. In addition, safety and convenience are important responsibility at the front desk. Guests may not be familiar with the area, so front desk staff should advise them on safest road, weather condition, and local guideline. For example, informing guests about dress code at the religious site or safety rules at the beach to help prevent the misunderstanding and accident. Lastly, effective communication skills are essential for front desk staff, which is the information should be delivered with clear, politely, confidently, using map and brochure, and digital tools can also help guests to understand the direction and local location easily. Being friendly and approachable also encourage guests to ask for help. Thank you.